guys, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we are on this brand new Sea Ray 250 Sun Deck, or SDX model as we like to call it. So, great lounge area back here in the back, flip-flop backrest, so that moves forward, gives you a really nice lounging area. The boat does have a submersible swim platform, so drop that down in the water. It's great to sit on, float on, help your dogs get in and out of the boat on. Cooler in the walk-through area, so you don't have to go all the way into the boat to get your drinks. You can just stop right there and grab it. Transom stereo remote, so you can control your radio from inside of there. We walk in here, lots of seating, lots of room, nice lounge area. Move this forward, you have a really nice chase lounge, plenty of storage under all the seats. This boat is equipped with a nice battery charger, keep your batteries maintained while you're not using it. Digital throttle and shift, so this boat is equipped with a 6.2 liter Mercruiser, so we've got digital throttle and shift. It's all fly-by-wire, makes it easy. Nice Simrad touchscreen in-dash, gives you all of your Mercury information, all your engine information, chart plotter, fish finder, stereo controls to go with your Bluetooth Fusion stereo. The boat is equipped with a nice head, has a really nice fold-down cushion that makes a nice little laying area, so you got kids that need a nap in the middle of the day, you can put them down there, turn a fan on, let them sleep for a little bit, and then they can get back in the water and enjoy the rest of the day with the family out on the water. It's got a port side entrance to the bow area. Really nice seating area, lots of room. You can sit here, you can sit with your back to here. Nice blue LED lighting throughout the whole boat. It does have a bow filler cushion, so there's a cushion that lays in here that fills this complete bow. Fusion speakers up front, spot for your anchor. So, hey guys, I'm Chris Harding with MarineMax Dallas. If you have any question on this boat or anything else we have in inventory, you can give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit us at MarineMaxDallas.com. Thanks, we look forward to seeing you.